When you're able to turn the key and it's in your own home, and then there is a program to help facilitate that, it is very rewarding. It makes me come back. I thrive for this. I have taken ownership of this program. My name is Bernadine Simmons, and I am a community development specialist. I started out as a paralegal. I graduated from paralegal school and I worked for an attorney that was a general practitioner. He did a little bit of everything. And then I went on to work for a mortgage servicing company, and I moved to Fayetteville and I applied with the city. And I didn't know what I was going to be doing because the job description was kind of vague. It was very vague. And then I met the assistant director and he told me what I would be doing along with the director. And I administered the Home Buying Hero program. It is an initiative by the management team here at ECD, the mayor and the city council members to make renters into homeowners. Sometimes meeting the deadlines can be a little bit challenging. The title hasn't come back clear, or the surveys or things of that nature, the inspections, but it all comes together in the end, and that buyer is able to close on their home. I like to enjoy the weekends with my family and my friends. We like to travel with my daughter, my son, my granddaughter. We get together and we'll say, let's meet at a certain location, and we'll just enjoy the time that we have together. On the spur of the moment, and just hop on a flight and go somewhere, or get in our cars and drive. And we love it. I love to travel. I like working my yard, make it pretty, because I like to be outdoors. I like that. And I like meeting people. And that's one of the highlights of this job, meeting people, because I meet them in NEO. I meet them at workshops and seminars that I attend to. My outreach, I do sometimes 17 outreach events throughout the whole year. So I like that. I like it a lot.